Hello guys! Today is March 30, 2025 and it's Lala's birthday! So, say happy birthday, Mommy!
Happy birthday, Mommy!
So, pupunta kami sa Cabanatuan ngayon. Doon kami magsistay. Tapos tomorrow naman, magsi-celebrate kami sa George Point, Pantabangan. So, sabi nila parang may dinosaur park daw doon at kita yung Pantabangan River or Sierra Madre. And then sana makita din namin yung Pantabangan Dam. So, see you! Hi guys! Nag-stop over muna kami. Bali yung ating birthday celebrant tsaka si Ali. So dito na kami kakain sa may ano ba to? Basta total na stopover. May nakita lang kaming Adidas na outlet store. So tignan namin kung maganda ba before kami kumain.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I love you.
Love you.
Love you, baby.
Love you, baby.
Yeah, what will you say to mom?
Happy birthday, my love. More birthdays to come and hopefully next birthday US.
Happy birthday to me. I want to say thank you for celebrating my birthday with me. And more birthdays to celebrate with you guys. We're going to Cabanatuan. Cabanatuan, can you say Cabanatuan? Cabanatuan, one more. Okay, good. Ang ano?
Magka-dinner tayo bigla.
Ha?
Magka-dinner tayo. Maka-eat tayo bigla ng cook food.
Ng cook food sa McDo?
No?
Yeah, pwede. Or we can choose another fast food or restaurant. We're here na, Ali. Yay! Nakawalk na ulit yung buboy.
Check.
One, two, one. Go. 1, 2, 1. Here's my strong boy. Kaya mo na. Go, go, Ali. Ooh, go enter. Wow, big boy na talaga.
What's this?
Collecting.
Kapag durong tayo, like nandito sila mamaani, wait mo.
Yeah.
I want to check that.
Oh, you try. You try mo, sige.
There's one, Mom.
Wala tayong key eh. Oh, laki ng bed natin, Ali. Yeah, you can have your own bed. What?
And also they can.
Open to. Tingnan natin kung ano meron sa outside. It's the street. The street. Hi, jumping boy. Whoa.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy birthday, Mommy! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy! Yay! Thank you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candle.
Thank you. Thank you.
Walang battery lang.
Singin sila. Hindi palitan mo doon. Palitan mo doon naman.
Sige na, okay na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I can't hear you.
Sige.
Happy birthday to me. Thank you, guys.
The next day.
Hi guys. Kakagising lang namin ngayon. 9 o'clock na. So, dito kami para mag-breakfast. Okay naman guys. Sulit, 150 pesos lang each. Pero ang daming food. Buffet na. So, Hi guys! Time check! 11 o'clock na ng umaga. So ready na po kami for check-out. Second day na namin ngayon guys. Then mamaya pupunta kami sa George Point Dinosaur Park. Yun talaga ang pinunta namin para i-celebrate yung birthday ng aking beautiful wife. At yung baby namin, walang ibang ginawa kundi mag-cellphone. Ali! Say hi, Ali!
Hi.
So far, how's your experience?
Naman. Relax lang tayo yesterday and today. More activities. See you later.
Okay guys, see you later. Pupunta pa lang muna kami ng Mazda. Titignan namin yung Mazda CX-5.
Hi guys! Hi Buboy! Ali, halika close lang yung dog. Tada!
Ayun ko na tayo, baby buboy.
So yun guys, pupunta na kami sa... Today is March 31 na pala. March 31, 2025 and it's 11:35. We're going to George Point. But before that, pupunta pa kami sa Mazda para mag-check kami ng yung preferred car namin and matingnan natin kung swak ba para sa aming mga kagustuhan and kung malaki ba talaga yung space niya. So see you later sa George Point or maybe sa Mazda. Bye! Madilim sa loob. Ali, are you excited?
Yeah!
Yan. Kababalik lang natin from Mazda. And masyadong ginalingan ni Ma'am Des from Mazda Cabanatuan. Highly recommended. Sobrang accommodating niya. Pinakita niya lahat ng features ng car. Sakto, may CX-5 na under maintenance. Kaya nakita pa rin namin yung loob. Pero wala talaga silang on display. Meron lang nagpapa-maintenance. So, ano masasabi mo, love?
Ganda, ganda. Parang panalo. Malaki na rin yung malaki yung cargo space. Ganda yung CX-8 din, pero medyo pricey. No?
CX-8? CX-8 ba yan?
Yung muna natin tignan dun sa loob. Yung may 7-seater. Kaso wala yata sa America ng CS8.
Pero grabe yung CX-690? 690 ba yun? Ay, hindi, 660. Laki. Parang pang-executive na yung loob niya. Tapos akala ko maliit yung gitna na part. Pero okay din naman pala yung CX-5 na dito, yung section sa likod. So, ano pala guys? We have a fun fact for you. Do you know that Cabanatuan is the tricycle capital of the Philippines? Which is na-witness namin yesterday dun sa SM, sa parking ng SM. So guys, dito na tayo sa George Point. Then, nakapagbayad na tayo, $4.99 per person. Ito ang sasakyan natin, ang ating service. Paakyat sa Dino Land. Dino Park? Diyan yung parking. Hi, kuya! Ito ang cottage na libre. Lapit ka doon.
Lapit, I'm scared. Dodance yung ano.
Hindi ka scared? Oh no! Sige, put it inside.
Yes.
Here. Ah! Ayan, wala ko nilipad rin na.
Ano nilipad?
Daddy, help.
Daddy, you're the one na.
Scared ka? Thank you.
Oh no! Ay, against the light pala tong ano, camera yun, no?
Hi guys, ayan yung dinosaur. Matutuli ako nang wala sa oras, Ali. Hello. Oh no. Okay, bye-bye dinosaur.
Okay lang, parang swing lang yan. Una kayo, Ali.
My pet. This is my pet.
Meron pala tayong pa-picture kay Kuya.
Parang lambot, oh.
Wow, step.
Sleeping yung isa, Ali, oh. Here, sleeping. Kahit napunta ng 60 kilometers per hour lang.
May sounds pa pala siya.
Ganda din ang mata, no? Parang tunay talaga yung mata, eh.
Oh my God. Oh, there's one more, Carly.
Maybe I'll drive.
Ah, sige, go ride.
I want to drive.
Oh, sige, try mo, please.
Mommy,
Sige, go!
you can try this cycle.
Ah, hindi. Daddy, sasakay siya.
Come on, anak.
Maybe try.
Are you ready? The dinosaur is at your back. Go, drive fast!
Go, Ali!
Fast, Ali, fast! Bilis! Ayun na siya! Zombie. Let's go, let's go! Pretend lang naman dito, may lang. Sige.
Look at Daddy's. The
Go.
best friend of
Sino mo, Ali? Oh, meron siyang
The
ano.
best friend of Kuya Uno.
Ay, hindi. Sino ba to? Spinosaurus.
That's Kuya Uno's best friend. Dilophosaurus.
Gusto ko mag-go sa triangle.
Thank you, sir. Yun na rin palalab na. Hi, T-Rex!
Dinosaur, run!
Dinosaur.
Run!
Oh, I love dinosaurs.
Hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa George Point sa Toktok. Sobrang hangin, ang ganda ng view guys. Look. Yan ang Pantabangan River. Dito yung mga dinosaur. Sobrang hangin, ang lamig. Ganda ng view guys. Dinosaur Ali! May ginagawa pa Ali oh.
Kuya sir, yung barko po na nandun sa taas po.
Okay.
Yan ba yung kuya? Yung ano?
Yung pirate ship po ma'am.
Pirate.
Iba pa yan.
Ayun Ali yung mga ano.
Ay,
Yes. Yung gusto ni Boo. Yung mga triangle na. Gandaan.
oh, sige, play ka lang. Sasarado ko muna. Na-assemble pa. Ayun, may mga ano pa doon. Bike. Ayan, buksan mo yung tinta. Ang dami pa sana. Kaya lang na-assemble pa. Hi, Ali! Ali is enjoying the playhouse na hindi pa naka-set talaga. Hindi pa daw to dito. Iniwan lang muna nila para may paglagyan habang di pa ready yung exact place niya.
No.
Hi, Buboy!
Side, please. Can you go? And
Ito na lang. Kabit mo yan, ano.
welcome to Joy.
Mahangin.
I-carry mo ako out.
So, ayan guys. Babay na tayo sa George Point. So far, okay naman. Yun lang na timing tayo na nagre-renovate sila. Kaya hindi lahat na access natin and hindi lahat pwedeng puntahan. But, yeah, overall, kung hindi lang siguro ganitong time kami pumunta, okay naman. Ayan yung front nila. Ito yung George Point.
Goodbye, George Point.
Bye, Dino! Yan. Masarap doon sa sobrang hangin. Hindi mo mafe-feel yung init sa katawan mo. Pero syempre, makikita mo mainit, di ba? Kasi mainit, mataas naman talaga yung araw.
That's something,
Yung
Mom.
restaurant.
Pero yung...
That's something, Mom.
meron daw siya itatel.
MD play house is so fun.
So, yeah. Nag-playhouse siya. And si Daddy,
Mainit, guys. Bali yung restaurant pala, guys, open lang daw ng Saturday, Sunday. So, nagkamali kami, di pa kami nag-lunch. Yung pala, sarado yung restaurant. So, check nyo na rin.
What the?
may joke sila ate doon. Pinakita niya yung picture doon sa isang dinosaur. Sabi niya kulang na daw na isang paa yun. Kasi na-serve na nila yung sa restaurant. Ngek, ngek, ngek. Okay, we're going down na. Going back to Manila.